Hello little learners. Today let's trace the big letter B. Let's trace B with green color, dark blue color and yellow color. First, let's trace with green color. First, watch carefully, okay? Start at the top, go down, down, down. Now go back to the top, go around, around for the first bump. Now go around, around again for the second bump. Great, we made a big B. Start at the top, go down, back to the top, go around for the first bump. Now go around for the second bump. That's a big B. Now it's your turn. B, B, B. Start at the top, go down, back to the top, go around for the first bump, go around again for the second bump. That's big B. Down, 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 back to the top, around, around and around again. Big B. Now let's trace B with dark blue color. Start at the top, go down, back to the top, around for the first bump, around again for the second bump. B. You're doing a great job. Let's trace some more B. B, B, B. Start at the top, go down, go around for the first bump. Now go around again for the second bump. B. One more time. Down, around, around again. B, B, B. Down, around, around again. B, B, B. Great job. The last one. Let's trace with yellow color. Down, around, around again. B, 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 B. B, B, B. B. Great, we made a big B. B, B, B. Great job, little learners. Today we trace the big letter B. B for ball. Want to trace B again? Download your free letter B tracing PDF at KiddoWins.com. Bye bye.